Saving $20,000 is extremely easy if you allow your mind to think there's not a lot of money. And depending on your current financial situation, you either think there's one or two things, a lot or not enough. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund, invest in a business venture, or achieve a specific financial goal, saving $20,000 quickly could seem like a difficult task. However, with this video, determination, discipline, and strategic planning, reaching your monetary target is entirely possible. In this video, we'll explore 9 effective strategies to help you save $20,000 fast and pave the way towards your next big goal, which is $20,000 months. The first smart strategy is to set clear goals. Define your reasons for saving $20,000. My personal goals that I made clear to myself when I was implementing these smart strategies were to have an emergency fund to cover my family's expenses and the odd chance we fell on hard times, such as job loss, as well as aspirations of starting a business and building out a team. You can have as many as you want, but you do need to have them so you can know and remind yourself of what you're working towards. I always recommend and am a big advocate for writing it down and reading it aloud every single day. This gives you a visual representation and keeps it at the forefront of your mind daily, stating, this is my goal, and then you actually need to do the things to get to your goal every single day. Having a clear goal such as building an emergency fund, buying a car, or taking that dream vacation will provide you with the motivation and focus needed to achieve your target. It's your goal, so make sure to make it personalized to you and worth your while so that you can stay motivated along this journey. Smart strategy number 2 includes automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account on your payday. I'd advise using an account with a pretty high interest rate so your money can be making you money while you are on your savings journey to $20,000. Some banks have programs that offer 3 to 5% interest. Look online and see who has the safest but highest interest returns to help you get to your goal quicker. Automating your savings ensures that a portion of your income is saved before you have the chance to spend it, making it easier to stick to your savings plan. Smart strategy number 3, and what I will honestly say is the most important right after having your mindset in the right place, is to increase your income. If you're only making $50,000 a year at a job, it's going to be extremely hard to save $20,000 fast in 2024. You'd have to save 40% of your income for the entire year. And unless you're planning on living somewhere for free, eating free meals, not paying for gas, lights, clothes, shoes, or anything that you may want to buy, just trying to save your way up to $20,000 on your current income alone isn't going to happen. At least not quickly, which is the point of this video. My channel is all about making money in a variety of different ways, so go binge, watch the content, and learn how to make more money. Doing things like affiliate marketing, freelancing, drop shipping, wholesaling, day trading, becoming a content creator. These things can give you plenty of extra income that you could add directly to your savings goal, accelerating your progress. Anyone, and I do mean anyone, can start them, and they are able to be scaled fast. The skills learned by diving in and starting these different income vehicles can generate well beyond the $20K that you currently desire. You could also consider taking up a part-time job, but I think your time will be much better spent working on your own side hustle than working for someone else's. Before we dive into number 4, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell. I'm coming with a new video every single Thursday on what I now call Think Bigger Thursdays. Smart strategy number 4 is to cut unnecessary expenses by identifying non-essential items or services that you can eliminate temporarily. You could eliminate them altogether, but if you like them and want them back in the future, you can do that, but just after you've hit your goal. This could include dining out lists, canceling subscription services, or finding more affordable alternatives for your regular expenses. Cut out the Netflix for 6 months. Cut out the fast food. Cut out the Hulu. Not only do you save money, but you save time as well. Instead of putting in hours binging shows, put those hours into reading books, learning new skills, spending time with family, or being more creative. Why are you spending time watching other people live out their dreams when you're making ends meet? Spend that time getting healthy and becoming the best version of yourself. See where you can cut out expenses, which in return saves you more money, allowing you to get to your goal of $20,000 quicker. Smart strategy number 5 is to negotiate your bills lower. You got options, and plenty of them. Contact your service providers, all of them, internet, cable, insurance, and everything else you may have, and negotiate better rates. I mean, really, what's the worst thing that they can say? No. I mean, that's it, and you still be in the same position. But what if they do agree to lower your bills? Then you're in a much better situation and having to pay less. Companies often have promotions or discounts available, especially for loyal customers. You may not just know about it because you've never asked. Lowering your monthly bills can free up more money for your savings goals. Smart strategy number 6 is to participate in no-spend challenges. Challenge yourself to a no-spend month or week where you only purchase essential items such as groceries and utilities. Avoiding unnecessary expenses for a specific period of time can significantly boost your savings. Again, it's just for a short period of time. Remind yourself often that it's living like others won't for a little while so that you can live like others dream that they could for the rest of your life. You can find these challenges online and do it with other people as a community so that you can know that you aren't alone. It can be motivating to see others on the same path as you and can allow you to have some accountability partners along your way to accumulating wealth and smashing your goal. Smart strategy number 7 is to invest wisely. There's nothing like making your money work for you in a safe way as you are trying to reach your goal after all. Consider investing your savings in low-risk, high-income accounts or investments. While the returns might not be immediate, your money can grow faster than it would in a regular savings account, helping you reach your goal more quickly. Number 8 is to sell unused items. I'm sure you have things around your house that no longer serve you any purpose. Declutter your home and sell items that you no longer need. Online marketplaces, garage sales, and consignment shops are great ways to sell items quickly. The money you can make from these sales can go directly into your savings fund on the way to $20,000. Smart strategy number 9 is to stay disciplined and to stay on track. If you are laser focused, you can save $20,000 a few months from watching this video, and potentially even sooner. I've done it, and you can do it too if you believe you can, and actually do the smart strategies that I've laid out for you. If you think it's a lot of money and look at it as such, it'll seem bigger than life and impossible task, and you won't even try. But if you look at it from a different angle and believe that if others are able to do it and have that I can do it too mentality, the money that you currently seek will flip roles and actually turn to seek and find its way to you. This is the exact strategy I use whenever I need to save for a big purchase or investment. Maintain your focus and discipline throughout your savings journey. Track your progress regularly. Celebrate your milestones and stay committed to your goal. Avoid impulse spending and remind yourself of the financial freedom that your savings will provide. Saving $20,000 fast requires dedication, sacrifice, and careful financial planning. By setting clear goals, increasing your income, cutting unnecessary expenses, and staying disciplined, you can achieve your savings target within a relatively short time frame. Remember, every small effort you make towards savings brings you closer to your financial goals. Whatever you want to do, start now and expect to have some struggles. Persevere, be determined, have some grit about you. Know that in the end, you will succeed. Peace and love, DTB.